Happy Hanukkah. Happy something. Hey y'all. This is your boy. Ew, what the fuck? What did it? Ew, what the fuck? Who sticks out their tongue like that? That's so fucking gay. Anyways, I'm a student at MIT. I just got accepted last year. That's why I'm at MIT right now. I mean, I got accepted like for my undergrad, so like 2015, you know, like slay. Just walking through MIT, just casually trying to go back home. Ooh, this building is kind of cool. Cool building here. This building is named Edward by Edward. Edward is 3 years old because Edward was constructed 3 years ago. Anyways, it's important that we do not park here. I think I turn right. I'm just gonna turn right. That building's name is Jessica. Oh my god. So damp. Very damp. Very damp. That helicopter. Shout out to helicopter parents. You know, we're just going here. I think that's a couple. Very cute. That's another couple. Oh my god, let's spot couples. Okay, one couple, two couple. Oh, is that 2.5 couples? I don't know. Oh. Interesting. This is how MIT students talk. So interesting. It's a light. So bright. Like my future. Just kidding. My future is dim. Hello people. There's 3 people. 3 females, so I assume that's 1.5 relationships. That's another car. This car's name is Jose. Because Mexican people are labor workers. Oh my god, there's so much people. So much people. I don't even know where I'm going, honestly. I have actually no clue where I'm going. I feel like I should just stop recording and just check Google Maps. But it's so... I feel like I should... That was a pop. I feel like I should like just follow the flow, you know? Where are they taking me? Or where am I going? And following them. Oh my god, it's another couple. Oh my god. That's so cute. That's so cute. Oh my god. That guy's like, bro, why are you talking so weird? He's like, bro, why are you stalking couples? Anyways, it's so interesting. There's a car here. I apologize for the shaky footage. I thought it would not be shaky. I guess like wide angle is shaky, but then if I go to 1, it's not shaky. Hello, person on a scooter. I guess those are like residence halls or something. Hello, person on a bike. I feel like I should not be on this fucking bike lane. People are gonna fucking crash into me. What is this? I have no idea where I am, honestly. This person does not go to MIT. I can really tell this person does not go to MIT. Weisner building. Last visual arts list visual arts. Oh my god, that's a really cool thing right there. I really want to like. It would be cool to do a postdoc at MIT. Oh, does that have a? Wait, does that look? I feel like I should check where I'm going. This is what happens when, like. Oh my god. It's a cat. It's a cat. MIT, the Horace Field building. Okay. At 5 minutes, I'm gonna stop this recording. So like 10 more seconds, you know. Like literally, there's so much people. Like, this is so busy. I feel like I could easily get fucking like, what's it called, like stomped on by people. But you know what? This is nothing compared to Disneyland. Like, there's so much space. Like, there's so much space everywhere. This is nothing like Disneyland. Disneyland is like, I would not be able to move forward. This is like level 1. Oh my god. Holy fuck. Holy shit. This is the line to the subway.
Sorry, Bradley. Cold.